Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Jasper from Jasper Landscaping, and today we're going to be unboxing the Rugby 610A. A stands for the alkaline batteries. So yeah, here we go. A clips into that and then lock her up. So in the box we came with the Rugby 110A, A standing for alkali. Came with 4D batteries. Came with 2 AA batteries. The rod eye basic. And all of our information, warranty, calibration report, etc. There we go. Lovely bit of kit for levelling out your gardens. Well, levelling out your work anyway, once you've dug the area out. So what have we got in here? We've got a disc, just instructions. Quick start kit. Basically, put the batteries in, turn it on. See if we've got anything else in here we need to know. And our calibration certificate. Ordered this off ITS and it cost me £660 including the VAT. So the Rugby 110, 610 actually benefits from a height alarm system. So if it's knocked, it will send off alarm, it will stop rotating, wait for all the heights to be checked, and then this readjusted and good to go. A little bit about the spec. The weight is 2.4 kilograms. It's a rotary laser level, X and Y. Self-leveling, and it roughly has about 60 hours of runtime.